Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 36. Obtain the equivalent current source for the given voltage source. Okay, so here you can see here. So a voltage source is given, is asking us to find out the current source. So current I is equal to V by R. Okay, so what is the voltage we are applying? 10 volts divided by what is the series resistor? 5. So 5 ones are 5 twos are. Therefore the current is 2 ampere, and this resistor is nothing but series resistor. Automatically here you are going to have shunt resistor. Shunt resistor is equal to RSC, that is equal to 5 ohm. Okay, so this is what the procedure of solving the problem. So now this way of solving is called as source transformation. So by using source transformation, we can convert a practical voltage source into an practical current source, or we can convert a practical current source into an practical voltage source. This is done by a technique which is called as source transformation. Hope you are able to understand the method of solving. So just keep it in the mind. So whatever the series branch is there, same resistor will be there in shunt branch. This is how we are converting a given voltage source into an current source. Hope if you find the video is useful, please like the video, and if it is useful to your friends, share it with your friends, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel and kindly support this type of free channels which are for the benefit of students as well as for the faculty. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.